How do I add a unique risk matrix for my one-off diagram? In the diagram, if you select risk matrices, you will see the default risk matrices that are available for you. If you want to add a risk matrix just for the diagram that you're working with, the easiest way would be to clone a previous risk matrix. Let's say copy there, and it will pop up down the bottom. Here you can edit the name and also the severity, the likelihood, the risk matrix colors. Let's add a fifth one on here in purple. And then you can go ahead and edit the risk matrix colors. I'll add my purple on there. These risk matrix can be anything you wish in terms of your X and Y axis. You can have a 5x5, a 10x10, 20x20. The possibilities are endless. You just have to keep adding in all of the X and Y axes across severity and the likelihood. Back to list. So that's popped up there. I'll close that one off. And now I want to add it to my consequence. To do this, I will say add. We're going to go with the initial risk at first. My reputation copy. The initial risk, it's pretty high. It's this extreme one that I've chosen. And then once I've put in all of my barriers and they're acting correctly and as they should, I'm going to add in the residual risk. What is left over after I've made sure that everything is working as it should? We'll say that it's minor and unlikely. And now you'll see that these two pieces, they will pop up on your consequence and act like metadata. If you need to make any adjustments, you can simply cross them off here and add them again.